Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to show you how I installed these gorgeous Jerry curly clip-ins 22 inches from Amazing Beauty Hair. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So this is the box that the hair comes in, as you guys can see. So when you open the box, you have clips and then you have two packs of bundles, 22 inches Jerry curly. So this is what the curl pattern looks like right out of the box. And then this is one pack I'm showing you. It has different lengths of clip-ins, and those are the clips. You literally just press them open and close. So it has 4 clip-ins, 3 clip-ins, 2 clip-ins, a single clip-in. So you can attach them to different parts of your head. Now I'm showing you guys how I go ahead and define the curls. You simply just spray some water, apply mousse, and then brush it through the hair, and then you get a nice defined curl pattern. Very easy to define this hair, barely any shedding or tangling. The curls define practically instantly. So I just go ahead and do that for all the clip-ins and let them dry before I install them. So as you can see here, I have all the clip-ins hanging on a hanger, and I'm going to let them dry, then we start the installation. So now, as you can see, I am installing the clip-ins. Like I said, you just open the clip, press it up and down to open and close it, and I'm just going to start installing the clip-ins. I started with the 3 clip-ins at the nape, and then as I got higher, I started attaching more. So now I'm just going to do the fronts before I go back and fill in the back spaces. So I'm basically using the 2 clip-ins for this part of my head. Do the same thing to the other side, and after I fill up the front, then I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the back, fill up any extra spaces at the back. So that's what I'm doing now. So I do like halfway at the back, do the front, and then fill up any extra spaces in the back. So I'm done attaching all the clip-ins. I used all the 2 packs of hair, and this is what it looked like. I'm just going ahead to fluff it now just to give you more volume. You don't have to do this. As you guys can see, the curls are very nice, but I like fluffy, thick hair, so that's why I'm going ahead to fluff the curls. Now I'm going to show you how to blend the front so that it doesn't look like this. So as you can see, I've done one side, and I use the crochet method that I'm going to be showing you now to make it look more natural at the part. So you want to do this very carefully and very gently. You take the crochet hook, you pass it through sections of your hair, take a piece of the clip-in, the hair from the clip-in, and just pass it through. So again, you push the crochet hook through your roots carefully, take a piece of the clip-in hair, put it on the latch hook, close it, and just pull it through carefully. Please take your time and do this slowly. Also, the smaller sections that you take, the nicer that it looks. If you make the sections too big, it's going to look like really chunky. So you want to make the sections that you're using really small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of the part. And this is what it looks like. So it just looks like I did regular crochet at my part. Makes it look more natural instead of the weft of the clip-in showing. It just makes it look a lot nicer. So I'm going to take some mousse and just like use that to go over the top for any frizz that might have occurred when I was doing the crocheting. And then I'm going to take an iron to press it down as I usually do so that everything lays flat. And yeah, this is basically how I installed these clip-ins. I'm also going to show you guys how to take them out so that you know that it's very easy to reuse. These clip-ins are human hair clip-ins. They're reusable and it's very easy to take out. You literally just slide out the pieces and it comes out instantly. And when you take them out, you can wash them, store them, and reuse them for as long as you want. Like I said, it's 22 inches and this is the Jerry Curly texture. Amazing Beauty Hair also has other textures on their website. If you want something looser or something tighter, definitely check their website for all the textures of clip-ins that they have. See, very easy to take out. Just simply slide it out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on the screen. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.